The financial services sector and banking sector has seen quite rapid transformation due to ongoing digitalization. So digital banking is going to be the wave of future. We have received interest from international and regional players looking to incorporate and offer a digital bank. So today we have announced this exciting initiative to welcome applications for digital banks in Abu Dhabi global market. So we have seen interest, we have inquiries from both international and regional players, and they come from one of three sources. The first source is really conventional banks looking to set up digital banking outfit, whether it's a branch or dedicated subsidiary just to do digital banking. The other form of applications that we are likely to see is really from innovative firms, those not from traditional financial services sector, but innovative firms with innovative models trying to serve the underserved segment. And the third really is partnership between the likes of technology companies as well as conventional financial institutions to partner together to offer digital banking solutions. So we are going to see demand from all these three different sources. We will not divulge our discussion, but we see robust interest in this area. As financial services regulators, we are concerned with the safety, soundness, maintaining systemic stability of the system. So we'll be applying the same prudential requirements in terms of capital requirements and liquidity requirements on them. We are making sure that their product offerings will be safe, consumers are protected. But I think they will differ in many sense in terms of the mode of delivery. The price point of their delivery will be very different compared to conventional banks, as well as the markets they intend to serve will be quite different from conventional financial institutions. So if you look at the total, ADGM is a financial free zone. So we focus on the financial services sector. In terms of total number of registration, we have more than 1,700 commercial licenses now. If you look at those players dedicated just purely in financial services, because there are many ancillaries to financial services. For example, if you look at family office, they don't require a financial services license. Right? So many ancillary activities that are part of financial services don't require financial services license. But you look at pure financial services license, we have more than 100 now. Well, I can't make those type of prediction. I think what is more important is digital banking do offer different value proposition from conventional banks. I think whether they do well, how well they do, depending on whether they serve the needs of both consumers and businesses, whether they can serve the needs of the underserved in the marketplace. What we're aiming to do is to enlarge the marketplace, right? Is not only to create competition, but also there are many areas, as I mentioned, that are underserved. By serving all this market, you create new marketplace, bring more players, bring about greater financial inclusion, bring about more customers and businesses into the fold. That's our intention. So in terms of process, it is similar to other processes that we have. We do require the applicants to submit a business plan to us for us to determine the sustainability and the feasibility of those business plans. In terms of capital requirements, the base capital requirement is $10 million. So it's the same requirements that we impose on conventional banks. So we are happy to talk to potential applicants that are interested in digital banking applications. If you look at our framework, we do have a very robust prudential framework that's aligned with international standards to make sure that the banks are adequately capitalized, consumer interests are protected. Having said that, the digital banks are into different areas. As I mentioned, it could be looking at just wholesale business, looking to serve small, medium enterprises in terms of their lending needs. So depending on the type of business model and the type of markets they intend to serve, we'll be looking at their value proposition to us and what they bring to the marketplace before we decide whether to accept those applications. 我们今天非常欢迎数字银行的申请。对我们来说，数字银行是非常重要的一环。我们将是整个中东北非地区第一个允许数字银行牌照的。我们欢迎就是传统银行设定数字银行，也欢迎科技企业设定这个数字银行，或者他们之间的一些合作来设立这个数字银行。数字银行其实对整个区域、整个未来的发展是非常重要的，因为数字银行 他们所服务的对象有更大的不同，他们的商业模式会有更大的流通性、便利性，所以我们欢迎有兴趣的企业跟我们接洽申请数字银行牌照。数字银行牌照的法律条规就包括需要资本金1000万美元在其他的法律条规还有准则方面，其实我们是跟普通银行的条规一样的。可是只要大家有一些问题的话，请随时跟我们接洽，我们非常愿意跟数字银行参与者或者申请者进行更深入一轮的沟通。对我们来说，对阿布扎比来说，中国是一个非常重要的板块。中国对我们来说也是战略伙伴国，所以我们非常欢迎跟中国有更进一步的合作。这就包括在数字银行方面，假如是因为中国是一个非常大的板块，而且中国企业对外发展的非常快，特别是在中东北非地区。中东北非地区的发展潜力非常多，所以我们也欢迎这些中国企业、中国的数字银行、中国的科技公司跟我们接洽，一起合作，就是把数字银行这一块打造起来，开展中东北非这块业务。